In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 30225. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the search box, type for panel. Once you have typed it, you'll get to see a best match, which is the control panel system. Please navigate to the right side and click on open to proceed. Once you have opened the control panel, change the view first like this. Navigate to the view by click on this down arrow key, set it into large icons. Once done, click on Internet Options. And after this, you'll see this Internet Properties. Please proceed to the option which is Connections, and there you can see LAN settings. Click on it and check this automatically detect settings. Click on OK, and then click on OK again, and then change the view back to category, and then close the window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, try to check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then let's clear our Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, and in this small window, type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved, okay? And now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.